meet the rollerball. Talk about the most perfect multitasking moment. You're giving yourself this micro circulation, stimulation, lymphatic massage, and you're flooding your skin with 12 potent, super gentle active ingredients. This tool is inspired by some of my favorite facial techniques. You'll see so many more results using the two of these together, the skin activator in the rollerball device, than you would with skincare on its own. I personally don't want to do any makeup without starting with my rollerball. This sets you up for the perfect makeup application. It is a total skin activation. You're sculpting your face even before you're applying makeup. Skin Activator deeply hydrates your skin. It boosts firmness and softens any fine lines. And you can visibly notice a difference very quickly. And you can put it in the freezer or the fridge, which I always do because I oftentimes have very puffy eyes. Being able to remove the roller ball makes it very easy to clean, both the well and the roller ball. And this is how I like to use it. So my face is clean. Basically, I woke up, I splashed my face with water, with cold water, and I give it 2 pumps. 1, 2. And then you want to hold the ball, the roller ball, facing downward. So you do a natural sort of sculpting motion under my eye, lifting up, and you always want to go outward and up, kind of jawline, and really kind of get all of my micro circulation going. Anywhere you hold tension, it's very intuitive, you know? It's kind of like, where do you want a little bit of release? And you can go in either broader, bigger strokes or little micro circles. This is key for lymphatic drainage. Now my skin feels so much more activated. Everything feels a little bit more awake, a little bit less puffy, and ready for some makeup. Hope you love it as much as I do. It's really very special.